Good evening. Welcome to the how to change an image from just an image to an image that's a link in HTML tutorial from Godbrain Games. My name is Wale. The game plan is to show you a regular image and then show you an image that's a link and then show you the difference in code and then finish up by making the first image a link as well. All right. Let me make this smaller. So this is all right. So this is the image. That's just a pure image. It's easier to show you what it actually looks like code-wise. And I just grabbed it from Google for these tutorials. All right. So image source. This is a image link right here. So when I right clicked on the picture and say copy image address, this is what it was. Alt, just name it something so you can find it. Width, height. I'm sure I have a tutorial out on pictures, but anyways, I'll show just for the tutorial. I'll show you this. This one's pretty short. All right, so you see that's the end right there. Boom. All right, so we'll go back. Nothing special. The only link you saw was the link for this. Okay, but below that, we have a picture that's a link that is an image as well. I'm gonna try to open link in new tab if it lets me. My picture is not. There we go. Open link in new tab, and it will take me to my YouTube. I think you have to open a new tab just for the online editor, but on your actual page, it doesn't really matter. All right, so we see that works. It's just loading. Boom. I'll show you the difference in them now. Nope. And it's a slight change. Okay, so beginning for the just image is image source. But for us, the image that's a link, you have to add and it has open and closing tags before the image source of an href, then the destination target, which was my YouTube channel. So it's an open and close tag before this even happens, before the image source even happens. After you do get to the image source, this is pretty much, excuse me, this part will last a little bit, but it's pretty important because if you miss this part, then not only will the image be a link, but everything, the image and everything under it will be a link too. Because if you don't close it, if you don't close the tag, then HTML just assumes that you intentionally didn't close the tag. So everything's a link. Well, that sucks. I was at the end. We'll go to the end again. So that's why you see me go super slow with this thing, because once you hit the end of it, it's going to kick you back to the front. All right, so this, oh, that's not it. The end is just an A that you close. All right, there we go. All right, so the regular close is right here for a normal one, height 300, and the greater than sign. But here, since it's a link, you have to, and it did it. All right, there we go. Found a quicker way to get back. It's a less than sign, then the slash, then the A, and a greater than sign to make it a link. Now let's make sure I haven't messed it up with all that we've been doing. Run it one more time. Open link in new tab. There we go. Once it shows my name, we'll get back to whatever. All right. Give it a second, I guess. Never mind. I'll just open in this tab, I guess. Appreciate your patience. There we go. It was just connectivity. So my name, whatever, boom. Let's make this, let's end by making the first image a link. I think I remember what game that was. That was from this mobile game, you know, on YouTube. I just grabbed that pic. I don't know. I'm not gonna lie and say I'm gonna put more mobile gameplay up there, but there is mobile gameplay on my channel. How about that? All right. I should be able to find the exact playlist, and I apologize for not having that ready ahead of time, but it should be labeled, boom, mobile gameplay. I don't even care that much. All right, we'll just take it straight to the mobile gameplay playlist, and I'm sure it'll work just the same. You guys have other things to do. I'll let you go. All right, boom. Have that list. That should not be a closing A at the beginning. All right, so you see how I knew it off the bat, just because we only close our A1. We only close it one time at the end, so everything is in the link. So that's a dead giveaway. Another mistake I make that'll be a dead giveaway sometimes is that you see like two of these, like two of the greater than signs or less than signs, and then I just know I copied too much or pasted too much, you know what I mean? All right, so this should take us to a playlist. And run it. Boom. Ran. Open. Link in new tab. Boom. Not that, not that. I think that's, well, it took us somewhere. I just want to make sure it's taking us to, I don't know. Let's make sure that I've even heard of this link. Yeah, all right, so that's mobile gameplay link. And that's it. It's just a ref. Close it. And then please make sure you close it at the end too, because for example, if I didn't close this tag at the beginning, round one, everything from the picture on would be a link. And I mean, that's not always the plan. All right, thank you for stopping by, and like and subscribe for more. Bye.